Assalamu alaikum students. Good morning. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine. I am Ms. Nisa and I am your science teacher. We are learning Unit 2 Things Around Us. In the previous lecture we have learned some topic of the unit Things Around Us. In this unit we will learn about the plants and animals, and our first topic is about living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. As you all know that the world is full of things. There are a lot of things in the whole world. We can see many things around ourselves. So in these things some are living and some are non-living. Some things are living and some are non-living. We can group things according to whether they are living or non-livings. Living things. What are living things? Plants, animals, and human beings are living things. What are living things? Plants, animals, and human beings are living things. There are a lot of plants we can see. Some are small, some are big, some are very short. There are trees, there are flowers, there are grass. All these are called plants. And we know about the animals. There are a lot of animals like sheep, goat, cow, elephant, horse, giraffe, tiger, lion, all these kinds of animals. And living and human beings, that who are human beings? We all are called human beings. You and me all are human beings. Boys, girls, men, women, babies, all are human beings. So all of these are living things. Plants, animals, and human beings are living things. Living things breathe, living things move, living things eat, living things grow, and living things have young ones. Why plants, why animals, and why human beings are living things? Because they can breathe, because they can move, they can eat, they can grow, and they have young ones. That is why they are called living things. Like human beings, animals, and plants breathe, while the other things which cannot breathe are non-living things. We will learn about it also. Okay, living things breathe. Living things breathe. As I told you that what are living things? Animals, plants, and human beings are living things. So they are called living things because they can breathe. Because they can breathe. Like you can see in the picture, here is a tiger. This is an animal. An animal can breathe. The tree, you can see the tree. The tree can breathe with the help of its leaves. Here are small pores in their leaves, so they can breathe with the help of their leaves. And in the other picture you can see a woman. We also breathe with the help of our nose, with the help of our mouth. So animals, plants, and human beings are living because they can breathe. What another thing a living thing can do is eating. Yes, living things can eat. Living things can eat. Plants, animals, and human beings are called living things because they can eat. Plants get their food from air, sunlight, and water. This is the food of the plants. And animals also eat. Some animals eat grass and some animals eat other animals. So it means that animals also eat the food, and human beings like me and you also eat the food. We also eat different kinds of food. So that is why the plants, animals and human beings are living things, because they can eat. Living things grow. Living things grow. Animals, plants and human beings are called living things because they can grow. They have the quality to grow. Like the tree was first a seed. The tree was first a seed. Then slowly and gradually it became a tree. So the small plant slowly grow and it becomes a big tree. It means the tree can grow from small to big. And the human beings can also grow. Like all of us were first babies. First we are a baby, then with the time and slowly we grow and we get old. It means the human beings also grow. Animals also grow. The animals also have babies, so their babies also grow. First they were small kids or small babies, then they slowly grow and become a big animal. Okay? Living things can move. Living things can move. The animals and human beings can move. That is why they are called living things, because they can move from one place to the other, and we can also move our body easily. That is why we all are living things. Animals are living things because they can also move, and human beings can move, so they are called living things. But the plants cannot move from one place to the other. Living things have young ones. The other quality of living thing is that they have young ones, or they have babies. They have their babies. They can reproduce. It means they can give birth to the babies. Like the animals also have babies, and the human beings also have babies, and a plant also have a baby plant. As we put the seed in the soil, so a baby plant come out of the seed. So that is called a baby plant. It is the baby of a plant. So that is why the animals, plants and human beings are living things, because they have young ones. Because they have young ones, or they have babies. On the other side, we have non-living things. We have non-living things. Many things in the world are not alive. We say they are non-living things because they cannot move, they cannot grow, they cannot breathe, and they do not eat. They do not have young ones. You can see in the picture many non-living things like the chair, the teddy bear, the rainbow, the snowman, the slide, pencil, torch, tent, ball, cart, the grill and the car. These are all non-living things because they cannot breathe, because they cannot grow. Like if you take the example of the teddy bear, if you have a teddy bear, they can grow? No, it cannot grow. And it can move? No, it cannot move by itself. And it can eat? No, it do not eat any food. And they have young ones? No, we do not have any young ones. So all these are non-living things. All the other things around us are non-living, which cannot breathe, which cannot grow, which cannot move, and cannot eat, and they do not have young ones. The only living things are plants, animals, and human beings. They are living things, and the rest of the things are non-living. So, this was our topic about living and non living things. The other topics about plants and animals we will learn in the next lecture. All of you, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.